Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, in this lesson, we are going to reinforce the topic which is about letter writing and informal letter. So, have a look on learning objective to be able to write informal letter. As we are going to recap the previous lesson that we have discussed about the letter writing, and especially we have discussed informal letter writing, and we also have discussed about the difference of formal and informal letter. So informal letters are written to friends and relatives, as you know. The purpose of writing a letter is not to make a complaint or inquiry, and the tone is also casual. Informal letters are mainly used for personal communication. They don't need to follow pattern, format, or conventions. Yes, have a look on difference between the informal and formal letter. In informal letter, we can use colloquial words means friendly expression or a non-official expression, but in formal letter we can't use friendly expression or colloquial words or expressions. As you know that the second major thing we have discussed that we can use contractions, or we use contractions like I'll be, but in formal letter we have to write the complete words. We can't write contracted words like I'll be, like I will be. Okay, use abbreviations. So in informal letter writing we use abbreviations like TV, or but in formal writing we can't use, or we have to avoid using abbreviations while writing a formal letter. The most important thing that we write in reference to first, second, third person. We can write into first person, we can write in second person, we can write in third person when we are writing an informal letter, when we are writing a letter to mother, a father, or a friend, or a relative. But when we are writing a formal letters, we should be very careful that we have to use only third person. Use imperative voice, but we have to avoid using imperative voice. Okay, use active voice sentences, but here you have to use passive voice, formal letter for it. Yes, for informal letter you can write short and simple sentences, as compared to for formal letter you have to write long and complex sentences. The last one, use exclamation mark and avoid use of exclamation mark. Yes, again I'm sharing a format for informal letter writing, as we have already discussed in the previous lesson that you have to write, or you have to start with the address, sender address. Okay, and then you have to leave one blank line after writing an address. Then you have to write date, that the format I have told you about how to write date. Okay, after writing date you have to leave again a blank line. Then you will write greetings like dear mother, dear father, dear friend. Okay, and then you have to write a comma, and then you will write a starting sentence. I hope my letter finds you in a good health. Any sentence or any starter sentence you can write here. Then you have to write, or you have to write in 3 paragraphs. And for the body means the content you have to write here. The first paragraph you can write in brief about the purpose of writing. In second paragraph you can write in detail about the purpose, means the material or the content. And the third paragraph you will write concluding lines or closing lines. Okay, and then you will leave one blank line, and then you will write closing, complimentary closing, like with love or with affection or yours affectionately, and then comma, and then you will write your name. Okay, this is how you have to write a letter. Again, For your reminder that you have to keep in mind the format of for informal letter writing is that you will write the sender address first, and then after writing the address you will leave one line and then write date, and then writing after leaving two lines, then you will write greetings dear mother or dear father, and then you start after leaving one line you will start your body that starts with introductory lines, and then you will write the main purpose of writing a letter, and then in third paragraph you just close or start writing the concluding lines, and then you will write the closing yours affectionately or whatever you are going to write, and then your signature means your name. Yes, this is how you have to write a letter. You have to prepare the notebook book. You have to write on your creative writing notebook. So I request you all, you must have your creative writing notebook and prepare it. Draw the margin line, write today's date and topic and day, and after this you will write the topic, which is letter writing, informal letter, and then you will write learning objective to be able to write informal letter, and then you will write the question, which is write an informal letter to your friend inviting him to spend the spring break with you. So this is your topic on which you have to write a letter, informal letter. As you know that tone of your and the language of informal letter is very casual. You can use abbreviation, you can use repeated sentences as well in your writing, and you can exaggerate your conversation and your material while you are convincing your friend or inviting your friend. So this is how you will start. In 3 lines you will write your address and then leave one blank line, then you will write, this is how you have to write a date, and after writing date you have to leave 2 blank lines. Then you will write the greeting dear friend, you will write here dear friend, not father. You will write here dear friend, or you can write the name of your friend as well, dear Ali, dear Hassan, dear any name you can write, and then you write your own name. After writing 3 paragraphs, it will, because this is must, you have to write 3 paragraphs, minimum 3 paragraphs. After, and be careful about the paragraphing, you must write in proper paragraphing. And then after writing the 3 paragraphs, you have to write the concluding line or ending line or closing lines, and then you will write your name, or you can write your friend, and then after this you will write your name as a signature, like this here. Signature mean you will write your name, your own name. So I hope it is clear to you. This is how you have to complete your letter. So this is all from my side. I hope it is clear to you. Till then, see you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.